In this video, I will show you how to delete your Booking.com account. To do this, go and open up Booking.com and go and click on your profile name at the top right. From there, go to My Account, and from within My Account, what you want to go and do is click Personal Details. Then from there, click on Security Settings, and here you will see Delete Account. So go and click on Delete Account, then choose why you want to delete your account and click. Then choose the third option if you want to fully delete your account, and you can give them feedback and then click Delete Account. Now go to your email inbox, and you will then have an email that looks something like this. From here, just click on Delete Account, and now my account has been deleted and I have now been signed out. So that's how to delete your Booking.com account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.